October 24th, 2020. How's it going, guys? We're going to do another walk in the park. Getting colder out. That time of year again. Yeah, leaves. Check out the trees. Leaves turn.
Yep.
A lot more. Pan that out over there real quick. By another week, it'll be in full color. It's going to be. There's our duck. He always gives us a quack. Yeah, check him out. Can you zoom in on a little bit? A whole bunch out there today. I don't know, about 15 of them out there. Went up to the casino last night, played a couple dollars, guys. They're at Bear Star.
Classic.
Wild things, aren't they? sirens. Well, I heard a lot of that again. You know, out there in Las Vegas, they have a lot of accidents out there where pedestrians, when they're crossing the streets and stuff, because they come out of those casinos and they've been drinking and stuff, and end up walking in front of the cars and stuff. I bet all the times I went out there, I probably seen, oh God, probably 8 different times people actually got hit by the cars out there. That's pretty much what they have go on. If somebody loses all their money and they have a heart attack. Just joking, guys. Some of those casinos out there used to really pay off good. Shoot, I remember one time went out there and we flew in out there, and I think I played as when some of the old ones were still there too, like Stardust, and where was that other Western one? One was over by Stardust. No, not the Western. Oh, but it was a good place to go. Man, they had good hot dogs. They had actual real long foot long hot dogs. 99 cents. They had a cocktail shrimp for 99 cents. And they had what was it for a buck? It was like $1.99 for a rib sandwich. Barbecue rib sandwich with coleslaw. So that was pretty good. Really good. But I can't remember the one, it was across the way on the other side by Stardust. Anyway, went in Stardust, I played like, you know, a lot of people win money on the first few dollars that they play. It don't always have to be a big amount. And there I won, right off the bat, I think I put like $4 in. I was playing the quarter machine there, and won like 250 bucks. And then we went over there to that other one, walked across over to that other one. Like I said, I can't remember what that other one was called though. And I was playing I'm trying to think what I was playing. I think I played a dollar machine. I put $2 in, I won 500 bucks. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. $750 the first day we were there. Shoot, that was paid for the vacation right there. Just playing for a few days. We gambled some. We didn't gamble a whole lot, but we gambled some. Good deal. We went to a lot of different buffets, went to the shows and stuff like that. And I like going up, like I say, hiking. On the Hoover Dam, Red Rock Canyon, all the different places. Yeah, I was noticing up there, Mercer, I noticed they had stuff posted where people had won like, I think it was like, last one I think it was like 250 or 280 or something. Compared to what it used to be like, that's not a whole lot. That's something at least. Check out the main event over there. There you go, one white vehicle, don't there? That vehicle sits over there a lot. I don't think somebody works on it. Right. Usually it's more on this side. We got cars coming. Wait a second here. Lots of cars. They opened the floodgate. Maybe they did open the floodgate. All right. Starting to turn.
What does that smell?
Somebody's brakes burning. One of their, probably on the calipers locking up. You can smell it. I know what that is. Some of these vehicles with calipers with pistons in them, they start going sideways. Depending on how new they are, some of the pistons you screw in, they spiral depending on. Right, yeah, when they hit the brakes, it's locking up and it's burning. All that. Well, I can tell you what a lot of things smell like. Between that place I worked at, that chemical warehouse and stuff, you pretty much learn pretty much everything you need to know on it. Like I said, I worked at that laboratory supply place too. Car fluids have different smells though. Antifreeze has a different smell. Antifreeze gets on anything too hot. Just like if it's coming out, it's got a blown head gas, it's coming out the exhaust, it'll turn blue, bluish white. Oil, of course, you can smell oil. Everybody smells oil, probably smelled oil when they poured oil in their vehicle and their engine, and you know what that smells like. The transmission fluid. Transmission fluid. It's got a whole different smell if it's on anything else. That's just like when we walk out here, sometimes they'll spray for insects. You can smell the diazon. Way back, they used to use malathion and stuff. Very interesting though. It's just like natural gas. Natural gas, actually, you can't actually smell natural gas. They put a chemical in it so it smells rotten, like rotten eggs. So if it's leaking, so you can smell it. I don't know what that chemical is, though. I'd have to go look that up. So do that. But carbon monoxide, you know, they always say you people can't tell carbon monoxide. That's not the case. I mean, I worked around that stuff too, and you can. It's almost like it's a stagnant smell. If you go in somebody's house, home, apartment, and it will almost take your breath away. And if you've been around it enough, if you see it enough, that apartment complex way back that I worked out there at that Quail Creek, they had so many old, but they still got a lot of old furnaces out there. And man, there was a lot of them that was leaking. Shoot, they hated to replace them too because of what they cost. But interesting. Like we let go in some of them. We went in this one guy's apartment one time, and it was like we had actually a meter to check the carbon monoxide. It was maxed out. It was like we went back to that man and said, you need to tell that person not to have it on at all until that's replaced. That needs to be replaced the next day. I mean, some of the stuff, people don't look at stuff like that. People definitely need to check. That reminds me of something kind of funny, guys. Way back when I was in high school, I helped this one guy get a car. He needed some extra money, and he would actually get, like, you know, aluminum cans, stuff like that. But he lived way far out by Ruskin. I forget what this other apartment complex was, but they had replaced all like the air conditioners and furnaces. And the thing of it was, they just, guess what they did with them? They threw them over the hill. Over there. It was kind of like terrain like this here, out here at Bass Pro, out here about here, Waterfall Park. So he asked the manager, he said, could he have the coils out of them? And at that time, you know, people weren't running around stealing everybody's air conditioner for the aluminum and all that and everything and stuff. So the thing of it was, I helped him, and we collected all of them. And that's how he got his car. He made enough money out of all the aluminum, out of all the coils, to get the car. But I remember doing that. Wild thing too. It was supposed to be around 4th of July there too on all that stuff. side. That's like a fire alarm going off, ain't it?
Yeah, it sounds.
Yeah. Interesting. You hear that, guys?
Yep.
Yeah, they might be testing it. You know, fire marshals come out too, and they'll test and see if the stuff's functioning properly too. That's a whole nother story we can talk about later on stuff. Even the convenience store filling stations, they used to go in and check, make sure all, you know, the fire extinguishers were up to date, stuff like that. You have to keep all that stuff up too. A lot of people don't in businesses. That's another thing. You know what the name of that one place was downtown in Kansas City where they used to refill them? Now see, they were on a fire truck right there. Can you catch it? Catch it. See.
There it goes.
Yeah. Always something going on in Kansas City. It's still going on. That's weird. See, I was one time up here when there used to be up there used to be another cinema, and they actually came in, they tested, fire marshal came in and tested it when everybody was there. Everybody just had to, they just let everybody know what they were doing. Well, check that stuff.
Alright, it went off.
Well, it's just like, you know, I didn't see them doing as much this year, but like, you know, on fire hydrants, they used to come out and check and blow them all out. You know, make sure that they were all functioning properly so they could go. I haven't seen that out here at all. But, I mean, we're only out here, most of the time we come out here, we walk 20, 30 minutes and we're gone. I didn't know, but it's kind of cool. They got like a diffuser they'll put on the end and they'll shoot it up in there. It diffuses the water out because the pressure is so high. Kind of cool and all that. Very interesting. Never a dull day here. Yeah, it's weird. I wonder if somebody set it off.
Huh.
Usually they don't run it that long. Like a little kid will look up at the deal, like in the school, and pull the fire. Oh, that's funny. That is funny. Well, guys, it's been another interesting day. We got fire trucks over there at Bass Pro, at Waterfall Park here. Always something going on. Anyway, stay safe out there, guys. Have a good one.